I'm going to demonstrate in this video how easy it is to upload images and receive payment for doing so. Getting your phone and going to the Google Play Store will be the first step. The free app must be downloaded as the next step, and then the third step is receiving real money in exchange for photo uploads. I'll explain how to make $770 via the Google Play Store in this video. This approach of earning money is simple and incredibly easy. Just be sure to watch the entire video through to the finish so you know precisely what to do to receive your payment. But before we get started, a lot of people have been asking me what the best method is for beginners to make the most amount of money online. If you are one of those people, be sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendation when it comes to making the most money online as a complete beginner. Thousands of ordinary people are making a lot of money from this, so be sure to check this out yourself. Okay, let's return back to the video. A website called fope.com is the first app or website I'll show you today for earning money by uploading images. This program or website has a vast collection of millions of unique, high-quality images. Basically, there are two main types of users or visitors to this website. One is folks who are attempting to buy a wide range of various photo types. Every single day, literally hundreds of thousands of people will search for images to purchase on this website. Now, the second category consists of those that submit and sell their images on this website, which is precisely how this strategy will pay you. It's not what you think either. You won't be required to take any pictures yourself or of yourself. You won't need any expertise or talents in photography, graphics, technology, and you won't even need to be in front of the camera. I'll show you a couple undiscovered websites in a moment where you can find a ton of high-quality images that you can save, re-upload, and then post onto fope.com. So when you visit fope.com, you should go to the homepage and select the Switch to Creators button. This page, which reads, "Time to make extra money with your films and photographs," is where you will be redirected to. Two alternatives to see how to download this program are listed below that. If you have an iPhone, you can download it from the App Store, and if you have an Android, you can download it from the Google Play Store. The fact that this app is totally free is also amazing. I'd like to start by showing you the entire library that is available on the website. You may see a wide range of excellent pictures that people have posted, sold, and are making a lot of money from. You can earn passive income on fope.com, which is yet another fantastic feature of their website. You can begin receiving commissions as soon as tomorrow or next week, next month, a year from now, or even 5 years from now when you've finished uploading your images to this website. And every month, literally millions of individuals browse this website in order to buy these images. You don't have to take or make any photos yourself, as I just explained. Additionally, make sure to watch this video all the way through because I'll reveal something unique at the very end that you don't want to miss. So let's use this photo as an example, which is one that is being sold on this website. Every time they submit a photo, the vendor will often price it at this amount. You're probably wondering how much money you might possibly make if you uploaded images to this website. Basically, how it works is that you and Fope will split the profits 50-50. In other words, 50% of the sale will go to Fope, and 50% will be transferred directly to your account. Additionally, they will be handling all of the marketing and selling for you, which is a lot of effort, which is why they take such a large percentage of the sale from you. And Fope is a really reliable and well-known website that collaborates with enormously popular businesses and receives literally millions of visits. Your uploaded images to Fope will automatically be sold and all of the marketing will be done for you. All you have to do is copy the photographs and paste them onto this website or platform. You don't need to do any of the work yourself. As a result, you will be able to earn passive income every day for years to come. Now, I want to show you something right now that is on this website that's pretty cool. Various missions can be joined in addition to just selling images. You can see all of these various missions right here, along with the cash payout for each one that is successfully completed. They add new missions here on a weekly basis, and you can join them or just post images based on any subject. You have the chance to perhaps win more cash on this website when you post or submit various images on various specific missions. Keep watching this video because I'm going to show you a website where you can obtain high quality free images that you can download download and then re-upload in order to earn money. So I want to show you another website or app that you can use for free and earn money before I show you that one. I want you to visit Shutterstock.com. Shutterstock.com is comparable in functionality to Fope.com. There is a sizable collection of high-resolution, high-quality photos available on Shutterstock. People frequently come here to buy a wide range of diverse images. Like I previously explained with Fope.com, you may sell items here by adding various images. Simply upload images to this website to begin generating passive income on a regular basis. The fantastic thing about this way of making money is that you can upload the same photographs that you upload to Shutterstock to Fope.com as well. You'll have additional income streams and earn significantly way more money if you post your images to more websites and applications. So all you have to do to begin using Shutterstock is click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. You will then be sent to this page where you can register for an account without paying anything. You can begin by creating an account by using your Facebook or Google account, any valid email address, and adding a password. And now, as I previously indicated, I'll walk you through a few places where you may find and download absolutely free, high-quality pictures. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to this channel before I show you this website. Additionally, make sure you click the notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a new video showing you how to make money online. Okay, let's get back to the video now. So the first website I'll show you that allows you to download photographs for free is burst.shopify.com. You can get free high-resolution photos as stated right here. This website's ability to categorize all of its images for you is very convenient. As you can see, there are numerous categories available for you to browse and select from. These images are all of extremely high quality and are available completely for free. You can view all of these different photographs that you may download just by clicking here, for instance, if I were to click on this category. You can download pictures from this website using either your computer or your phone. For each of these photographs, you may choose to download it in low resolution or high resolution. However, I strongly advise you to download in high resolution because doing so will improve your chances of making money on all the websites you publish these photographs to. I've discovered another website that you can use to obtain absolutely free photographs, and that website is called pickwizard.com, since my goal is to help you make as much money online as you can using all the strategies that I show you. You can examine and download high quality, cost-free stock photographs as it is stated right here, and it clearly demonstrates that you may download over 1 million different high-quality pictures for free right here. So, like I said, taking or making these photographs yourself doesn't require any technical or photographic expertise. By uploading images to these services, you can make money online a lot more shrewdly, quickly, and easily. So, for instance, clicking on this picture right here will take me to this website. I can easily download this picture to my phone or computer by clicking this download button right here. You can see that it downloaded directly to my computer after I clicked download here. So what I'll do now is upload this picture to Shutterstock and Fope.com. And after I do that, I'll begin to get daily commission payments as passive income. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, click on this video right here.